Hi guys, a very warm welcome to BodyProCoach Nutrition. That's Praveen Nair and I am Maahek Nair, and today we're going to be doing a healthy detox juice for you.
Exactly. So the juices are a great option when it comes to hydration, at the same time getting some amazing micronutrients. So let's go and have a look at the recipe.
Ingredients for harvest juice: 1 whole green apple, half peeled sweet potato, 2 whole carrots, little ginger peeled. First, 1 medium size peeled sweet potato, then 2 whole carrots peeled, then we add ginger, and lastly I add 1 whole green apple. And our harvest juice is ready to be poured in the tin. Our yummy harvest juice is ready. It looks loaded with vitamins. So our organic harvest juice is ready. This juice is loaded with tons and tons of vitamins.
Alright guys, channel, make sure that you subscribe with that bell icon that you always get to know about our videos. We've got almost 6 to 7 videos every week coming up. So enjoy and be fit. We will see you in the next video. Cheers.
Thank you.